have another sewing tip for you. So when you're dealing with fabrics delicate as crepe, satin, silk, mousse, and then if you want to cut a double piece of fabric, you clip the ends together, and if the piece you want to cut is long, you want to fold it over to make it easier and accurate. And you want to lay this fabric down because it's so light. Yeah, you can cut. Imaginary 1 inch and start cutting. You don't want to do like I did. Accidentally lift the scissors up, because if you try to get the fabric accurate again, it may not be accurate. And you might have some raggedy fabrics that you have to mend. And voila. See, because my scissors slipped up, you see how uneven that is? On each side. It's straight in the middle, but on each ends, it's uneven. So I have to mend the ends of the fabric. And I will fold it back together and cut the ends together. So what I'm going to do, instead of making sure the ends are straight, I'm going to clip the edges and sew a straight line. That'll ensure my fabric is straight. Now that the fabric is cut off, I will use my hoop turner to turn the fabric on this right side. Just clip that and close it. If you can see it. Put the fabric inside there. It's kind of hard looking through this. See that? Clip it and try to shut it.